Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach update for the trading room. Today's Thursday, February 27th. Let you know what we did today. Another killer day in the room. Huge candles. We're able to respect our stops. A little bit jumpy, so sometimes we actually made money and then got taken out at entry and then got it in again and made more money the second time. So it was actually pretty good. Again, in no particular time order, I'm going to run through everything we did. We had a short trade in the ES. On the 1024 candle, 1020 core candle, we were short 33. The trade went all the way down to 06. I actually got everybody out right here, called the low, at least of the morning. Everybody, this was here the whole time. I was given the price, told everybody once this candle closed, I'm like, when this thing comes down again, let's see where it's going to stop and we may just get out. I called the whole thing off, and it was a beautiful trade. I mean, 20, 25 points plus. We got long then on a power play. Again, we hit this thing twice. So again, you're seeing one arrow there, but we actually hit it twice. 33, went up to 38, came back down. Told everybody if you get taken out, if it comes back down and goes through it again, hit it again. Hit it again on the next candle, and that sucker went all the way up. I had called 54. And then I said after 54, it'd probably be in the 60s, high 60s, and it actually went higher than that. But as you can see, pretty much straight up. A little bit of pullback there. But that was a killer opportunity. Then when we got up into the 60s, because a lot of people were out, said if you want another trade, I said there's going to be a key level that they're going to try to get above, that they were actually trying to get above even over here. When the market opened, and I said we should be good for a couple points, and we have to see what happens. So we kept banging this thing. We hit this thing at 66.75 the first time. I said let it come down, get it at a little bit better price, about a point better, and that went up. It made a couple points, and then when it came down here, came up again, we banged it again. Twice. We hit it on the 1203 candle. We stayed because we were waiting for this thing to go. I'm like, it's just a matter of time before this thing goes and gets to the next tranche. So 66.75. That made up to 3-4 points, and then this is another one we hit again. We banged it again, hit it there, waited for the red candle, hit it again, boom. Thing went all the way up, and then we closed the room, and a lot of people were out. In all fairness, most people were out before it got up to the 85. But again, it was 66, so it was basically 3 green candles all the way up. You could have gotten whatever you wanted. I had target at 78, and then an 83.50, but again, most people were not into the 83.50s, but again, you can easily see there that you could have made whatever you wanted on that within reason. And then we destroyed this NASDAQ at the open. Once this market opened up, we had a beautiful death candle trade. I got everybody long right after the 933 candle, 39.50. That trade went up to 67. It went up about 70, 80, 100 ticks. And then, from 39.50, 69.50 would be 90 ticks. So yeah, about 70 ticks or so, 60, 70 ticks. On the very next candle, we hit the same trade again after the green candle, after the 936 candle. 86.46.50. That sucker went up, and I said you can do an add-on. This arrow here was an add-on only. This third candle was an add-on. I said if it got up to 75, you can do an add-on for up higher. So just hundreds of ticks, and again, able to respect our stops. We're going to come back and we're going to do it all over again tomorrow. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com, and we'll see everybody back. Bye, traders.